we're here today because you had...
I had a heart attack.
Yeah.
We'd had some things going on, and we needed to get some pallets of water transported as we're staging water in different locations at our different campuses for a part of our emergency response.
We're loading up the trucks. I called Clay. I was like, hey, we're getting ready to leave. We'll be there in a few minutes. He's like, cool, I'm outside just making sure it's ready for you guys.
And as I was moving these chairs, carrying them, one in each hand because I wasn't in a hurry, not moving them that far, I started having some issues. Pain and numbness in the left arm, radiating over into my right shoulder. My wife had me go sit down and get a bottle of water and drink some water. And when I did, things kind of let up for a minute. But then when I got up to walk again, it's just like my chest exploded.
I pull in, park my truck, and he's like, Greg, come here. And I'm like, okay. So I go over there, and I'm like, hey, what's up? How's it going? He's like, oh, it's okay. Yeah, those two things over there are going to go to Rayford location. This is going to come here. That stays. And I think I'm having a heart attack. And I'm like, what? And it was it just hit me. And I was like, dude, sit down. He's standing up. I'm like, sit down. We got water. So I told a couple of the guys, grab me some water. I'm like, okay. So us three just sat there, prayed for him. And just like that, it hit me right after we finished. And I was like, I've got my med bag. And I knew it had aspirin because I had just gone through to make sure everything was restocked and everything was good to go inside of it. So I ran back to my truck, grabbed the bag. I'm going through it, and right in the top flap, undid the zipper, pulled out the medication bag. It was right there. And then it was like his son came in. We got him over to his vehicle, and then he took him to the hospital.
Basically, that heart attack should have been massive and should have killed me. It was the dosage he gave me was exactly what they would have given me at the hospital. And then looking back later after sharing this whole story with the doctor in the hospital, you don't realize how significant that was. And drinking some water, sitting down, and the aspirin in that moment is what kept this from being a completely different outcome.
He calls me and he's like, hey, just to let you know, I just got done talking to my cardiologist, and he was like, that aspirin saved my life. I mean, I've done trauma in combat, and I've done trauma and just from car accidents here in the States and training and everything else. And it's just like, that little aspirin saved him. It's not gonna be that first responder. Might not be a disaster response company. It's gonna be you. That's gonna be the first on the scene, because if you're part of it, you're first there. So if you need to have a medical kit and be prepared, because you're gonna be the first one there. And it helped with us. It saved our pastor's life.
I was fortunate God had his hand on me. Is why, he had the right people in place coming at the right time with the right stuff. Yeah, I am extremely grateful that there was a first aid kit available.